All right, for my great daily, weekly IG video thing I started doing about a month ago or so, somewhere in there. Weekly IG Monday videos. A little off on that one. It's Tuesday now. I just finally got back home. Traveled all the way to Tennessee, saw Kevin Tez and everything with Hands on Cars. Got to do his 5.0 Cummins project, which is totally awesome. We single turboed it, did the piping. Ian's going to finish up a lot of the welding and so forth on that. I'm going to just kind of do a quick little simple video edit, and it's going to be like a little montage of everything that's going on there, stuff that I've posted on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. Yeah, you know how the list goes on and on and on. So it's not going to be nothing too special, but I hope you all enjoy it. And hopefully that sums it all up. Got a lot of great big things coming on in the future, so I'd stay tuned for all that, because I got a lot of cool new ideas and a few new projects that are going to about ready to happen.